Hello students, today we will be doing the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die. We all of us know that we have to die someday. Yes, we get old and after that we die. It is the course of nature, correct? Now, Jordan, Code and Alan East has written a beautiful chapter on this topic that we are not afraid to die it if we can all be together. Okay, whenever there can be a natural calamity or you can say during war time, yes, many people can die together. Yes, so now moving on to our chapter, beautiful chapter. In July 1976, my wife Mary, son Jonathan, 6, Mane, the son was 6 years old, daughter Suzanne, 7. That means the age of the daughter is 7 years old. And I set sail from Plymouth, England to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. Okay, they were on a voyage. What is a voyage? Voyage is a journey. Voyage is a journey. They were traveling. Yes, set sail. Sail money, they were traveling by sea. Yes, they were traveling from Plymouth, England. Yes, okay. And this journey was very similar to the journey of Captain James Cook. Okay, for the longest time, Mary and I, a 7-year-old businessman, who is the author? Author is a 37-year-old businessman. And who is Mary? Mary is his wife. Okay, had dreamt of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer. And for the past 16 years, we had spent all our leisure time owning our seafaring skills in British waters. Okay, so what? Look, everyone has a dream. So they always had the dream of sailing, correct? But for that they require money. So what they used to do is, uh, they used to collect all the money, yes, and save them. Okay, what is leisure time? Leisure time is the free time. Okay, in the free time what they used to do, they used to practice, yes, their skills, seafaring skills. Okay, so they always want this thing to happen. It was their dream that they wanted to sail in British waters. Okay, so now there is something that happened with them. Our boat, Wave Walker, a 23-meter, 30-ton wooden hulled beauty. Okay, that is made of wood. Okay, so that's why the author has used the phrase wooden hulled beauty. Okay, and it was 23 meters long, 30 ton. It can carry 30-ton weight. Okay. Had been professionally built and we had spent months fitting it out. Now it was professionally built by the professionals, and the author and his wife had spent months, yes, in fitting it out and testing whether it is proper or not and whether it will succeed in the British waters, testing it in roughest weather we could find. Okay, so they had already tested it, and that's why they were using that boat. The first leg of our planned 3 year. Okay, now it was in the first phase of their planned 3 year. Okay, the journey was not for a very small time, it was for 3 year. Yes, 1,05,000 kilometer journey passed pleasantly. Okay, it was very pleasant. The first phase of their journey was very pleasant. It was very good. As we sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. So, from the west coast of Africa, they sailed down to Cape Town. Okay, there before heading east, Mane, before going towards the east, we took on two crewmen. So now they took two crewmen with them. One's name is American Larry Vigil and other one is Swiss Herb Ziegler. Okay, to help us tackle one of the world's roughest seas. Okay, this sea is the roughest, yes, the southern Indian Ocean. Okay, which sea are they talking about? Okay, they are now heading towards east. Every one of us know that our India falls in the eastern part of the globe. Okay, I'm talking about the globe. So now, one of the world's roughest sea that they are denoting is our Indian Ocean. Yes, we all know that whenever we have the map of India, we always show the Indian Ocean. Yes, okay. So now it is the world's roughest sea. The Indian Ocean is the world's roughest sea. Okay. On our second day out of Cape Town, okay, we began to encounter strong gales. Okay, for the next few weeks they blew continuously. Mane, there was a continuous blowing of the wind. Gales did not worry me. Okay, the author was not worried by it, but the size of the waves was alarming. But the waves were of huge size that were up to 15 meters, as high as our main mast. Okay, that's why this part was actually a worry for the author. Okay, 25th December found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. Now they reached 3,500 kilometers east to Cape Town. Despite atrocious weather, we had a beautiful holiday with a Christmas tree. Okay, they had spent their Christmas over there and it was beautiful. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather, but the coming New Year Day there was no improvement in the weather. But we reasoned that it had to change soon. But they were of the opinion that it will be changing soon. But it did not happen and it did change for the worse. Money, it got worse day by day. Okay. Okay, students, I end my lecture for today. From the next part, we will be doing it tomorrow. Thank you.